Another plant that grows really well during the winter time, well, exceptionally well, is the blueberry plant. Now, I can say I did buy this plant already this size. So it was already growing pretty good when I bought it. But when I say it's growing pretty well, is the fact that there was no berries on this tree when I bought it. And as you can see, there's definitely berries growing on it now. And it's not browning, it's not dying. It's holding up pretty good for it to be growing in the wintertime. So what I think I'll do is, instead of making the mistake of taking it out that pot, which I feel like it's doing really good in that pot, I'll probably cut out a circle at the bottom of it and just throw some dirt around it. That way the roots can go down deeper. And I have 2 more berry plants on the other side of the property that I'll probably dig up and put here with it. One here, one here. And I made this trench just for the berry bushes. But that's besides the point. The point is, for this video in particular, to show you that berry bushes do grow and produce during the winter time. Now, they're not blueberries, they're red, which is mean they're ripening, but they're not dying. So that'd be another good thing to grow right now at this time of the year if you're in the Georgia or Florida region. So we got lettuce, green onions, and blueberry. I've been growing these onions all winter, and as you can see, they grow pretty well in the winter. I would say so. So probably most likely every winter, most likely I'll come out here and pull some onions. I'll probably make a bigger yield this year. And get some onions. So just thought I'd come out here and make a short video and show you how well these things grow during the winter time. I believe you can eat these leaves. I'm pretty sure they probably got some pretty good, decent buds down there. But yeah, there you have it, green onions. Another thing I threw out here was some lettuce. I will definitely, most likely, 100% be buying probably a lot more of these this year. Again, this is one of the winter yields that I was testing to see how good would grow during the winter time. And to be honest, man, these things grow really good in the winter. I put them in probably about 2 months ago. You can see the size of these leaves on this thing. They're pretty good, healthy leaves. I believe it's lettuce, if I'm not mistaken. So again, next year when the winter time comes around, I will have probably 20 or 30 of these things growing. Right now there's only 1, 2, 3, I think 4. So just stay tuned for that. Again, lettuce goes really well.